You're watching How Leap. Let's learn how to add new books to the Apple Books app on your iPhone. You can add books from the built-in bookstore or from files on your device. To shop, open the Books app and tap the Bookstore tab at the bottom. Browse or search for a book, then tap its price or get button to download it for free. Public domain books, tap search, type the title, and look for free options. To add your own files, like PDFs or EPUBs, you first need to get the file onto your iPhone. A common method is to email the file to yourself. Open the email attachment on your iPhone, tap the share icon, and choose books from the app list. The file will import and open in your books library. You can also use cloud services like iCloud Drive or Dropbox. Save the book file to your Files app, then long press it, tap Share, and select Books. The book is added to your library under the Collections tab. Your reading progress syncs across all devices signed into the same Apple ID. For more simple iPhone tutorials, subscribe to the channel.